Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI. Not just talking about the tech itself, but how you can actually use it to make some serious cash online. We're breaking down 10 proven methods, from content creation to e-commerce and even getting into some next-level AI-powered products and services. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for new ways to level up your income game, AI's got something for you. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unravel these AI money-making strategies. Alright, let's kick things off with AI content creation. Now, we've all heard about AI tools like GPT-4, right? But here's the thing. It's not just about generating text. It's about generating high-quality, engaging content that people actually want to read, watch, and share. Think blog posts that rank on Google, scripts for viral YouTube videos, even compelling copywriting for your online business. And the best part? Once you've got that content, the monetization possibilities are endless. You can run ads, dive into affiliate marketing, or even package your writing into digital products like ebooks and courses. It's like having a team of content creators working for you 24/7, but without the overhead. Next up, we're stepping into the world of AI-powered products and services. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Imagine building your own AI chatbot that can handle customer service inquiries for businesses, or developing a virtual assistant that helps people manage their schedules and tasks. And hey, if coding isn't your thing, no worries. You can create AI-powered tools without writing a single line of code. Think content summarizers that help people digest information faster, or grammar checkers that make everyone a better writer. The key here is identifying a need and using AI to create a solution. Now, if you're looking for a more flexible way to make money with AI, freelancing might be your jam. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with businesses looking for skilled individuals to help them navigate the world of AI. We're talking AI development, consultation, data analysis, and of course, content creation. The beauty of freelancing is that you can set your own rates, choose projects that interest you, and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, as AI becomes even more integrated into our lives, the demand for these skills is only going to skyrocket. So, you're thinking about starting an online business? Well, AI can give you a serious edge in the competitive world of e-commerce. Imagine having an AI-powered recommendation engine that suggests products to customers based on their browsing history and preferences, leading to higher conversion rates and increased sales. Or picture this, using AI to create unique, eye-catching designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. AI can handle everything from product design to marketing, making it easier than ever to launch and scale your e-commerce empire. Now, if you're looking for a more passive way to make money with AI, investing might be the answer. AI is revolutionizing the stock market with algorithms analyzing data and making trading decisions at lightning speed. You can explore AI-powered trading platforms that do the heavy lifting for you, or dive into the world of AI-focused ETFs that track the performance of leading AI companies. And hey, let's not forget about cryptocurrency. AI is playing a major role in this space too, with algorithms used to analyze market trends and identify potentially profitable trading opportunities. The demand for AI education is exploding, and that creates a massive opportunity for anyone with expertise in this field. You can create comprehensive online courses teaching everything from the basics of AI to advanced machine learning concepts. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera make it easy to share your knowledge with the world and generate passive income. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even develop your own AI-assisted learning platform, personalizing the educational experience for each student. The future of education is here, and AI is leading the charge. AI isn't just about numbers and algorithms, it's also making waves in the creative world. AI art is gaining traction, with algorithms generating stunning visuals that push the boundaries of imagination. You can use AI to create digital art, design logos and graphics, or even compose original pieces of music. And the best part? You can license your AI-generated content for use in websites, videos, games, and more, opening up new streams of income for artists and creators. AI is a game changer in the world of digital marketing and SEO. You can develop or use AI-powered tools to analyze website data, identify relevant keywords, and optimize content for search engines. AI can also help you create highly targeted advertising campaigns, ensuring your message reaches the right audience at the right time. By leveraging the power of AI, you can drive more traffic to your website, generate leads, and ultimately increase sales. In today's business world, providing exceptional customer support is paramount. AI can help you take your customer service to the next level by automating tasks, personalizing interactions, and resolving issues quickly and efficiently. You can create AI-driven chatbots that handle common inquiries, freeing up your human agents to focus on more complex issues. AI can also analyze customer feedback, identifying areas where you can improve your products, services, or overall customer experience. Social media is an incredibly powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike, and AI can help you maximize your social media presence. You can use AI to generate engaging content, schedule posts, and even analyze your audience's demographics and interests. There are also AI-powered tools that can help you identify and connect with influencers in your niche, amplifying your reach and brand awareness. AI is transforming the way we interact on social media, making it easier than ever to build a loyal following and achieve your social media goals. So, there you have it. 10 powerful ways you can tap into the world of AI to boost your income. Whether you're passionate about content creation, building innovative products, or exploring the world of investing, AI offers incredible opportunities for anyone willing to embrace the future. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep experimenting, and who knows what amazing possibilities you'll uncover. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on leveraging technology to make money online. See you in the next video.